Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the very good news to the candidates who are having the only post-graduation as well as PG plus UGSNet. So for both these two categories here, the opportunities are there from the universities. And here out of the two different universities, I am going to show you with only post-graduation, you can earn 30,000 rupees per month as a consolidated. And coming to the another university, you can get the UGC pay scales. Why? Because as per the university norms, they will provide. And from all over the India, you can apply from any state for both these two universities, guys. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of faculty job notifications. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more videos like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, please don't worry. Mention your requirement in the comment section so that I will definitely come up in the next videos if requirements are there belonging to your requirements. So to get my videos, you have to subscribe and then tap the bell icon. Then immediately you will get my notifications. Okay. And please watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding both the two different universities recruitment notifications. Before going into the main content of this video, a small announcement to the candidates who are preparing for the UGSNet exam. As you already know that on 10th August 2021, the National Testing Agency released the dates for the UGSNet December 2020 as well as June 2021 merged cycle. So the dates are 6th October to 11th October 2021. Academy paid courses are there by keeping in mind the UGSNet December 2020 and the June 2021 cycles. So from August 18th onwards, the MCQ course on paper 1 and paper 2 electronic science is going to start. And from September 2nd onwards, the revision course for paper 1 and paper 2 electronic science is going to start. And the details regarding the links I kept in the description box of this video. To get the complete details I kept at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, out of the two universities, it is the first private university I am going to show you. That is the University of Science and Technology from Meghalaya. So here the recruitment notification is there from University of Science and Technology Meghalaya. So applications are invited for the post of professor, associate and assistant professor for the following subjects under the different schools to prepare the panel of candidates for time to time engagement. So coming to the departments here, School of Business Sciences. In this one, Business Administration, specialization in marketing and economics and commerce. Coming to the School of Social Sciences and Humanities, Social Work, Library and Information Science, Sociology, English, Political Science, Rural Development, Education and Psychology. And coming to the Applied Sciences, Mathematics, Geography, Environmental Sciences, Physics and Chemistry. And coming to the Pharmaceutical Sciences, Pharmaceutical Science. And in Allied Medical Sciences, Physiotherapy, Yoga, Medical Laboratory Technology. And I got one comment yesterday regarding the yoga recruitment vacancies. So based upon your requirement, I searched and I got this recruitment notification. So the candidate whoever commented regarding the yoga, you can utilize this opportunity. I'm expecting. And coming to School of Biological Sciences, Zoology, Botany, Biotechnology, Microbiology, Food Science and Technology. And PQH School of Education, B.Ed. School of Engineering and Technology, Computer Science. University School of Law and Research Law. School of Languages and Culture, Khasi, Hindi, Assamese. Fine. And coming to the eligibility, Masters in the above discipline as per the UGC regulations having the PhD or the NET. But I think while coming to the engineering departments, the UGC qualification is not mandatory. And whatever the subjects, the UGC examination is not there. For those subjects also, UGC qualification is not required. Fine. And the preference will be given to the candidates who are having the experience in teaching. So retired professors or associate professors may also apply. And interested candidates can send their resume to the ustm.rectt@gmail.com in the standard format available in the university website with the recent passport size photograph on or before 31st August 2021. And I will provide this website link also in the description box of this video. And if you want to get the standard format, what they told to mail them. So here the download standard format is there. So you can download the standard format and fill up all the details. Okay. And whatever the documents they are telling, just convert them into PDF and then send them to this provide mail ID within 31st August 2021. Fine. And coming to the next state university, so it is a Butler Technical University, guys. Fine. Harcourt Butler Technical University. So from this one here we got the jobs. So apply online for the guest faculty at HBTU Kanpur, and advertisement regarding the written test and walk-in interview for the guest faculty. First we will see the advertisement, guys. Okay. So coming to the advertisement, yeah, it is. And the details are kept in very clearly in short form. So we will check out quickly. So dated August 19, 2021. written test and walk-in interview for the guest faculty. So HBTU Kanpur is looking for the dedicated and qualified persons for the position of guest faculty for the period of 11 months, or else till the direct recruitment or expiry of lien of concerned faculty, whichever is earlier. And the walk-in interview will be held as per the schedule. You may check down. Coming to the School of Engineering, Civil Engineering, Computer Science Engineering, IT and MCA, Electrical, Electronics, Mechanical, and School of Basic and Applied Sciences, and Physics, Chemistry, Mathematics. And coming to the School of Humanities and Social Sciences, Management and English, and the School of Chemical Technology, Chemical Engineering, Biochemical Engineering, Food Technology, Oil Technology, Paint Technology, Plastic Technology, and the Leather Technology. Fine. So here the number of vacancies are also provided here. Of course, the good number of vacancies are there, guys. You can utilize this opportunity. And the date and time of the written test 31st August 2021. So reporting time 9 a.m. and the written test shall be started sharp at 9:30 a.m. So first you have to write the written test and then you have to go for the interview. Fine. And the date and time of interview is mentioned here. So 31st August 2021 from morning 11 o'clock onwards. And coming to the School of Humanities and the Chemical Technology, they kept here for 1/9/2021. Fine. And the qualifications as per the ACT norms. ACT norms means only post graduation is enough, guys. And 450 rupees per contract are subject for maximum up to 30,000 rupees per month as per the UP state government norms. Fine. And coming to the interested and eligible candidates are required to report for the written test MCQ based 30 minutes duration and walk-in interview at their own expense in the university as per the given schedule. One copy of application form in the prescribed format along with the self-attested photocopies of all relevant degrees and experience certificates and demand draft. 1000 rupees and 500 rupees for the SC/ST drawn in favor of Finance Controller HBTU Kanpur payable at the Kanpur in original. Original certificates related to relevant degrees and experience, 3 passport size photograph with proof of identification and the valid caste certificate. All these things you have to bring. Fine. At the time of walk-in interview, and few more important instructions are there, so you please check down, guys. And I will provide this link in the description box of this video. If you want to apply online, just click on this one and then you will be directed to here. So the guest faculty registration, you have to click on this one and then the application form starts. Okay, so these are the 2 universities, guys. Here the opportunities are there for the PG, only PG, as well as the PG plus UGC-NET candidates. So utilize this opportunity and don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of faculty job notifications. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more videos like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC-NET exam from Unacademy side, here one advertisement follows. If you are interested, you may listen, guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC-NET, okay, NTA UGC-NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC-NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the national eligibility test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC-NET means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC-NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profiling. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down.